Hey guys, have you felt frustrated when Apple ID is not active? Today we will teach you how to fix this Apple ID is not active issue. Don't forget to subscribe to us to get the latest guide and news. Method 1. Try to use iToolab UnlockGo. Download and launch UnlockGo and select Unlock Apple ID. Then unlock your iPhone screen passcode to trust the computer. Select the latest firmware to download. Program starts to unlock your Apple ID. It will take some time to remove Apple ID. Wait for a while. Now, check if your Apple ID has been removed and sign in again. Method 2. Check iCloud status. You can go to Apple System Status to check if Apple ID or iCloud gets crashed. Method 3. Ask for Apple support on Twitter for help. A lot of users complain that they have such issues on Twitter. And that is not a bad idea to ask for Apple support to solve the problem.